Today I'm going to be looking at the ComfiTime retractable stool. That is an unusually nice seat for these retractable stools. That is super cushiony. I love that. That is great. And the main event. And it comes with a carrying case. That's pretty cool. I'll probably never use this, but I like that it came with it. This, on the other hand, I'm going to be using this thing all the time. So these are really cool. I love the way it's even got a little handle on it. That's nice. So 2 fingers on one side, 2 fingers on the other side. Kind of feels like holding a bowling ball. Pull it out, get a little twist, and it locks in place. Really cool. I love this. I love this design. So maybe we want to work on our tire. Right? Need to be a little lower. Perfect. Maybe we want a footstool, right? Not quite chair height, just a little taller. Full height. It's actually pretty tall. That's taller than chair height. And with this is a super unique thing. You never see this come with these types of chairs. Oh, look at that. It's even got a spot for the handle. This is a perfect garage chair, which is exactly what I'm going to be using it for. It actually adds like a little bit of height too. Nice. Really nice.